Are you new to eco-printing or have previous experience but would like to learn how to work in a more environmentally mindful and health-conscious way without using traditional powdered mordants? Maybe you're somebody who has very little free time and are interested in learning how to actually break the eco-printing in the dirty pot process down into bite-sized chunks. Well, I have good news for you. My name is Nicola Brown. I'm an experienced eco-printer and my passion is sharing this with others. And I particularly love using vegetation local to me and being as environmentally mindful and health conscious as possible. Because I'm helping care for some close family members part-time, my own hands-on studio time has been severely curtailed during the last few years. So I am offering a free 3-day bootcamp where I will share top tips with you about how to divide the process up into manageable chunks so that even if you're a beginner or if you have limited time or you want to work in a more environmentally mindful way, you can learn something from this free bootcamp. So why not register today and share this information with your friends? The link to register is in the video description below here on YouTube. I really encourage you, if you would like to learn how to achieve beautiful prints right from the beginning, avoid the overwhelm of all the available information out there on the internet and just have fun. Maybe upcycle garments like the sweatshirt I'm wearing. This is the bootcamp for you. So I look forward to welcoming you. Register using the link in the video description below. And for those of you who do, there will also be replays available for a limited time. So if you live in a different time zone, such as Australia or New Zealand, and can't join me live, you will be able to watch the recordings of the videos and ask me questions over on our private concierge page. I look forward to welcoming you if you're ready to skyrocket your textile practice. Over and out from Clasheen in rural Ireland.